Hello everybody. This is a video tutorial about adding a choice activity. The choice activity module enables a teacher to ask a single question and offer a selection of possible responses. Choice result may be published after a student have answered, after a certain date, or not at all. Results may be published with student names or without them. A choice activity may be used as a quick pull to stimulate thinking about a topic, to quickly test student understanding, to facilitate student decision making, for example, allowing students to vote on a direction for the course. Adding a choice activity. We can add the choice activity like any other activity in Moodle. After activating the editing features, we add from the Add Resource or Activity menu. We activate the editing on. From Add Activity or Resource, we find the choice activity and click on Add. In this window, teacher is able to define the suitable features he needs for the activity and activate them for the users. General settings. Choice name must be descriptive and direct. And let's say here we want to define a week for presentation for our students. So the student here chooses his week to present. And in the description of choice activity, which could be also the instruction for your students to follow while performing the activity. Here we say like only 5 students per week as an instruction. Also, you choose the way you want the choice to be displayed horizontally or vertically. And let's say here vertically. Adding choice options. Here you can specify the settings of the choice options, if it is allowed to be updated and if there is a limit for options responses. For example, here we have decided to choose a week for a presentation. So here the options are 5 weeks and given for our students, and only 5 students may present in every week. So allow choice to be updated? No, because every student will choose only 1 week. Limit the number of responses. We allow this to activate the limit number and we say yes. And we see that it has been activated, and we choose from week 10. 5 students could present in that. The limit is 5 students. 11, week 11, also 5 students. And so on. 12, 5, and the week 14, also 5 students. The rest of the settings are the usual settings for any activity or resource. Only the result block here has some special features for a choice tool, where you can choose the way you want to show results according to the options, and also it gives you the option of providing results along with the names or keeping them private. Results display. The options for displaying results are, first, publish results, and it has some options. Let's see those options. Do not publish results to students, which means this will prevent students from viewing any results at all. Show results to students after they answer, and this means that it will show the progress result of the choice activity for your students directly after their responses. Show result to students only after the choice is closed. This will show the progress result of the choice activity for the user after all of his mates' responses, enabled by a sign from a teacher himself. The last choice is always show result to students. This will show the progress of activity directly, even if the student has not responded yet. Here, because we have chosen do not publish result to students, we see that it's not activated, the privacy of result, because there is no response. Let's choose show results to students only after the choice is closed, which means after all students has answered, we will show the response, and it's the most suitable one. Privacy of results. There are two choices. Publish anonymous results. Do not show student names. This option keeps students' response private. Publish full results showing names and their choices. This option will show responses along with names and other details directly for all students, and this could be used if the teacher is giving a shareable content through that choice activity. Using choice activity, student view of the activity. After setting up the choice activity, we save and return to the course, and we use one of the tools in Moodle to shift from a teacher role to a student role to see how our students will view the course. And here is the choice activity. We click on the choice activity, and remember we are now in a student role. This is what our students see. Here are the weeks. He choose a week and then save his choice, and it will show him his choice, and it says the results are not currently available because we have chosen one of the options which will allow the student to see the results only if his classmates has finished the choice activity altogether. Using choice activity, instructor view of the activity. Let's move now and return to the normal role of the teacher, and let's see what's the difference. When the teacher goes back to his normal role, he will see the responses of his students, and he will see a button here helping him to view the responses. If he clicks on the view responses, then the instructor gets the information about the task progress in a table showing how many learners has responded and what responses they had, and some other options he can do to delete some responses or whatsoever he likes. Till here we finish this lesson. See you in the next lesson.